Modern bathroom cabinet design encompasses sleek lines, minimalist aesthetics and functional storage solutions. Floating vanities are a popular choice. In modern bathroom designs, they are wall-mounted and create a clean, streamlined look while providing storage space beneath. Modern bathroom cabinets often feature clean, straight lines and a minimalist design approach. Ornate detailing, excessive decoration are avoided, creating a sleek and contemporary look. Modern bathroom cabinets made from high-quality materials. These materials are durable and easy to clean, and offer a refined finish. Modern designs often incorporate handle-less cabinet doors, or doors for a seamless appearance. This can be achieved through push-to-open mechanisms or integrated handles. Modern bathroom cabinets often feature neutral color palettes. These colors create a timeless and versatile backdrop, can be easily paired with other elements in the bathroom. Mirrored cabinets are a practical and stylish choice. Provide storage space while also serving as a mirror. Modern bathroom cabinets prioritize functionality and organization, often feature smart storage solutions such as pull-out drawers to maximize space and accommodate various essentials. Built-in lighting within bathroom cabinets is a common modern design feature. It's essential to consider the overall aesthetic of bathroom and ensure that the cabinet design complements all elements for a cohesive and harmonious look. Follow us and get more details.